Hey guys, I've partnered with NeoCell to show you how I take care of myself from the inside out with their new Collagen Protein Peptides. I'm 27, so it's time for me to be proactive and take the supplements that will help me to age gracefully. That is why I've been taking NeoCell's Collagen Protein Peptides, because it helps prevent wrinkles, gives you a nice glow. It's even great for bone health, joint health, your hair, your nails, everything. It has been super easy to incorporate into my daily routine, and I do so by adding it to my celery juice in the morning before my workouts. Both celery juice and collagen are most effective when taken on an empty stomach, so they go really well together. I simply pour it into my juice and it dissolves quickly. It also is textureless, so you don't even notice the difference. I use the unflavored one for my celery juice, but they also have two other flavors such as mandarin orange and pomegranate acai. I use these when I add it into my water to add some flavor. They also have individual packets, which I love in case I want to bring with me to the gym or to pack with me when I travel. After drinking the celery juice with the NeoCell Collagen Protein Peptides, I go right into my workout. So follow along as I show you some of my favorite workouts that I do weekly, and the best part is that you don't even need a gym. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to purchase the NeoCell Collagen Protein Peptides, you can do so on Amazon, and I'll put all that information below in the description box. I'll see you guys in my next video.